Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says, which of the following statements are correct about the solid catalyst? So option 1 given, same reactants may give different product by using different catalysts. Option 2, catalyst does not change delta H of the reaction. Option 3, catalyst is required in large quantities to catalyze the reactions. And option 4, catalytic activity of solid catalyst does not depend upon the strength of the chemisorption. So the key concept is mainly comes from surface chemistry, the enzyme catalysis. Surface chemistry, enzyme catalysis. So when reactant attach to the solid catalyst, so a specific catalyst is used for a specific reaction. So that is catalyst are very selective. Okay, so the first option given, same reactants may give different products by using different catalyst. Yes, मतलब एक रिएक्शन में एक रिएक्टेंट अगर इस कैटलिस्ट से एक कोई प्रोडक्ट दे रहा है, सो दूसरे कैटलिस्ट यूज करने पर कोई डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट दे सकते हैं. सेम रिएक्टेंट्स may give different products by using different catalysts. So for example, if we take a reaction in between carbon monoxide and hydrogen, in presence of nickel catalyst, it produces methane plus water. And this same reactant, if we use copper catalyst, then we get formaldehyde, CHO, different products. So the first option, that is the same reactants may give different products by using different catalysts. So yes, catalysts are very selective and it will produce different products from the same reactants by using different catalysts. So the option 1 is correct, and option 2, catalyst does not change the delta H of the reaction. That is absolutely correct, because in the reaction, if A converted to B, so the energy and reaction coordinate diagram will be look like this. This is A and this is B. So, and this is transition state. And if we use catalyst, then this reaction, this is the activation energy. This is the activation energy for the first reaction, EA1. And if we use catalyst, then this reaction activation energy will decreases and it will produce lower activation energy, EA2. So that is EA2 less than EA1, because it decreases the activation energy. Catalysts mainly increase the rate of the reaction. So by using catalyst, this is the catalytic reaction. Catalytic reaction. And red one is the normal reaction. Red curve is the normal. Okay. So catalyst does not change the enthalpy of the reaction. Enthalpy of the reaction comes from the energy difference between A and product B. A and product B. That is the delta H. So the energy difference between two states, that is A and B, these two states, that is the change in enthalpy of the delta H. So this value does not change. So catalyst does not change the delta H of the reaction. It is absolutely correct. And option 3, catalyst is required in large quantities to catalyze the reaction. So this is wrong answer, because for the properties of catalyst, it is generally used very low amount because after reaction in the reaction it is not consumed. रिएक्शन में कंज्यूम नहीं होते, इसको फिर से यूज किया जाता है, कैटलिस्ट फिर से यूज होता है. सो ए वेरी लो क्वांटिटीज में यूज होता है. सो ऑप्शन 4 में क्या है? ऑप्शन 4 में कैटालाइटिक एक्टिविटी ऑफ ए सॉलिड कैटलिस्ट डज नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द chemisorption. So it is not the correct because it is incorrect option, because in the catalytic solid surface of catalyst, when product reactants A and B come, okay, by adsorption, so there a chemical bond form, so that is depend on the strength of the chemisorption. So when the chemical bond form on the catalyst, it will depend the strength of the chemisorption. So the activity, the bond formation will lead to the activity of a solid catalyst. So the catalytic activity of a solid catalyst does depend on the process of chemisorption. So that's why the option 4 is incorrect. So our correct option is option 1 and 2. Hope you understand it well. All the best.